Hello, my name is Hans and we're here in Enschede where I study, and we're gonna have a small tutorial of one of my very first moves, which is called Legowings. And it's actually a combo move, which works really well with other stuff like combo moves do. Okay, so this is a move based on the move Lego Love by Nikolai, which you can see here. And yeah, it has these two cool floating motions through it, which makes the move unique, I feel. Okay, so you start basically gripping these two corners, the opposite corners, and you spin it like you're gonna do Lego Love. After this, you have this stripping effect, which you can also learn from Lego Love with your pinky finger. You just fix that. And then you stop Lego Love basically here with the cards pinched between your ring finger and your middle finger and your index finger right here. Now your index finger is gonna wrap around this card completely and clip it between your middle finger and your index finger. From this position, you then have your free pinky to strip off the top card, like so. And then, as you can see here with your ring finger, you then kind of push a bit and clip the card between your ring finger and your pinky. This you now can like scoot over to the middle so that you have it clipped in the middle, and then you can move it behind your thumb to get this kind of cool display, like a satellite. And you can of course stop there, but if you want to do the scooting motions, you now have to kind of work the cards a little bit to get them to split the middle packet. And that kind of comes a railway where you scoot your index finger over to get the first card to kind of scoot through it. And now with the bottom card, you kind of move it in between the cards, and then you just kind of let go with that card and it'll pass through it. And then you end up in normal combo position, but you can just drop the cards there.
Hey guys, I really hope you enjoy learning Legowings so far. I just wanted to let you know that tickets for Cardistry Experience 2024 are available right now. It's a 3-day Cardistry convention happening May 18 till 20th in Hamburg, Germany. And there's actually not a lot of spaces left, so if you want to come by, you should get your ticket as soon as possible. Check out cardistryexperience.com or just click the link in the description to reserve your ticket right now. It's the best way there is to support us, this content, and this entire project as a whole. So thank you, and now back to the video.
So the move starts off like Lego Love, kind of in this position. And then you stop Lego Love when you're here. The ring finger and middle finger pinching. With your index, you're now gonna wrap around and pinch this card to your middle finger. From this position, you can now take your pinky finger and strip off the top card like so. With your ring finger, you're gonna push a little bit and clip the card. Now you can move it right behind here to have a display. Now you're gonna kind of push these together to create this hole. From this position, you can scoot this and then place this in between and use the other one. So, and then a little final tip for when you're starting out, and just to get it consistent a bit. When you start off, you can take your packet and kind of already pre-bend it a bit, so that when you eventually become or get to the position where you need to split the packets, it already basically is there. And that gets you more familiar with the slides and how to do the move consistently. Then you don't have to worry about that too much. So that was the tutorial for Legowings. I really hope you enjoyed trying it or learning it even. It's been really fun to explain it. I really hope to see you at the next Cardistry Experience. If you have any questions or any troubles you have with the move, definitely try and contact me through Instagram. Instagram is hans.lankamp. Yeah, thank you for learning the move and see you next time.